In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a new page in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, open an existing design or click Create a Design to start a new project. When your design opens, look at the bottom of the editor where your current page is displayed. Canva shows each page as a thumbnail so you can easily navigate through your design. To add a new page, simply click the Add Page button or the plus icon located below your current page. As soon as you click it, Canva will create a new blank page with the same size as your existing design. You can repeat this step as many times as you want to add multiple pages to your project. This is useful when creating presentations, ebooks, workbooks, or multi-page documents. If you want to rearrange pages, just drag the page thumbnails into a new order. You can also duplicate or delete pages using the options that appear when you select a page. That is how you add a new page in Canva.